unboxing. Hello friends, today I'm doing the unboxing of Birkenstock Arizona Eva Dupes sandals for summer. They are more like for fall, as they are made from that kind of like. So I have two pairs. I don't know what's the material, but first one I've got on eBay, and they looks like this. They are for $10, $9 something with shipping already, and they looks like this. In past I got some similar from Arizona Birkenstock original, and they were kind of not super good quality, and I returned them because I thought it's too expensive, $40 per such plastic slides, and it was in Poland. Now the style is still going on and now it's summer almost, so I've got those on eBay. They are called slides with back or something like that. I will put a link down below. I got them in size pink, color pink. Size is large, 9/10, and they have this plastic white buckle, and bottom looks like this. It's a different than Birkenstocks, because Birkenstocks, at least for example this kind, the bottom looks like this, but when it comes this Birkenstocks leather, but buckle looks similar, but it's plastic. And I've got them for $9 something, and they have some support. Here they have some indentation. Here we have some kind of, how it's called, oh god, something here like shape, and here's nice shape. I plan to wear them on the beach, in the sun, and to water, when they won't be easy to dry. So yeah, and I've also got another pair of similar style Birkenstocks dupes. These ones are from from Walmart. I've got them yesterday. So these ones also the same size, 9/10. Bottom looks like this. This is more different color, as this one is neon pink, which I really like, and this is more too dimmed. So this neon pink, and they are made in China. They have buckle, which is also white. A strap is adjustable. Brand is called Time and True, 9 and 10. And the code looks like this. You can buy them also online, but in just green color. And these ones have in Walmart, they have more colors, which I will put a clip down here to show you colors of them. I have more on kids, women section, more color, red, white, gray. This is nice, pink. These are cute, but for kids. These are nice too. sold out.
Shoes, where are you?
Yeah,
What are you doing over here, shoes?
I'm looking.
You love shoes.
I know. They sold out those pink slippers. And yeah, they are flexible and I will wear them to the beach or outside as it's summer, and they also have those shaping for foot support here, arch support. But these ones are a little flatter, I would say, than these ones. These ones are more fake. I feel like. I also got another ones from eBay for only $5 and $3 shipping, but they're still in shipping. And the brand name is H2Z or H2K, I think. And I've got them on eBay, but they are on Amazon too. Mine also will be hot pink or neon pink, and the ones from Amazon were about $17 or $15, and the ones from eBay I have got cheaper because they are a little destroyed here. They have some spots. Okay, I will try them on. So yeah, that's how they look. This will be the thumbnail. I have to cut it off. Now then I unbox it. So this will be thumbnail. So here are the ones from eBay. Yeah, eBay. They are looking like this. Yeah, they are $10 online, something with shipping. I think it's a good deal. Here are those from from Walmart. They are so cute, but they look a little weird, like different shape. They're cute. These are eBay, this one are Walmart. These ones are more narrow. This one a little wider. These are more narrow, no, more wide. Okay, that's it. Bye. Thank you for watching. This was dupes for Arizona Birkenstock sandals from plastic material. Hope you enjoy such videos. Thumbs up so I know if you like them, and maybe I should do more of them or not, this kind. And subscribe. You can hit notification bell to be notified when I upload next. Okay, see you in the next one. Bye.